What's up, guys? So if you're watching this video, you're on step 3, so you know exactly how to go to step 1, how to go to step 2, and you know how to get to step 3. So we're gonna go over the image editor. Over here, you can make your post as beautiful as you possibly want. All the content you edited before, you can obviously edit the content here again, but here you can change the templates, you can change the images, you can change the colors of everything you see, and we're gonna go and see how that works. So one of the things that you can see over here is that there's a nav bar on the top and there's a left sidebar as well. All the controls are going to be here. You can choose a different template, you can change the font colors, you can change the font systems, you can change the shape itself, you can change the left, top, width, height, all this stuff over here. So this is a template itself. Let's go ahead and change the template. Let's say we don't want this template and we want something else. So you go ahead and click choose template over here. And once you go into choose template, let's say, for example, we want to have something a little bit different. We want to go ahead and fit something within this thing right here. So rise of weightlifting today. So sometimes when you do this, you'll notice that the content itself might be better suited for a smaller font. So what you can do is click that particular one and go over here, change the size of the font, and you can go ahead and move it as you want. So let's get it as nice and pretty as we can get it to look. And then we're going to move it a little bit on the top so it fits nicely within the template itself. While this is happening, you're going to see that there's this little thing over here that rotates sometimes. Let's say we try to move it here and we click out of it. Sometimes what this is happening is the autosave functionality. If you see that thing rotating, if you see that circle rotating, what you want to do is just pause for a second and let it finish saving, because we don't want to overwhelm the system, and it's the best practice for this template editor. So everything that you see over here is editable. So you saw the choose template and you just how to change it there. You can change the size of the text. We can change even the color of the text. So if I go ahead and I click this and I want this font to be black, that's perfect. And we click out of there, we watch the autosave functionality work, then we can go in and change it to maybe a bold, an extra bold, and that's going to change accordingly. We can even go in here and we can change the content itself. So I can add, let's say, just some symbols, and the best way to save this is just hitting enter. It will take care of itself. Now, what you see, these things are called shapes. All these shapes are editable. You can change the structure of this shape. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, and you can change the color of it. If your brand color is, let's say, red, you should probably make that red. Next thing is how to change the image itself. This image, maybe I don't like it. I want something a little bit more vibrant. You can go ahead, select the image, and you'll see this thing come up over here, upload custom image. And what you want to do is click this upload button, and you can choose something from your desktop, or you can choose something from our million+ free to use images, fully licensed for you to use anytime you want. So let's go ahead and go online, and this search bar over here, you can just about search any type of image. So let's type in weightlifting, and it will go and fetch these images for you. And you know what? I think this is a good image for this. So let's go ahead. Once you click it, it will automatically bring it over here, and you just have to click out of it. And you can move this image however you want. You can move this image to the right and make it fit in within your screen however you want. As you can see, it's moving around, and that's it. That's all that you need to do. And once you're done with this, you can go ahead and hit generate post, and we're going to get into how that looks in the next stage.